Welcome to the AI and Future of Work podcast. I'm Marcus Chen, joined by Sofia Rodriguez. Today, we're diving deep into One-Click Workshop, build a portable AI-powered 30-minute client workshop, and how it can transform your life as a digital nomad. If you want to work smarter, earn more, and reclaim your time through AI, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. Quick hook. You're losing revenue and time to low-priced discovery calls, unclear deliverables, and one-off consultations that never scale. What if you could convert that hourly grind into a repeatable 30-minute AI-powered workshop that you build and deliver in under an hour, charge a premium, and reuse across clients? Today, I'll give you the blueprint, exact prompts and stocks, so you can ship one this week. This changes everything for nomads.
Let's make this actually work for you. The common pain is simple. Nomads trade time for dollars with scattered discovery calls and messy onboarding. You get low-priced one-offs, unclear outcomes, and clients who don't renew. I worked with a freelance UX consultant who spent 3 hours prepping for a single discovery call and walked away with a $150 one-off. Before, ad hoc sessions, no repeatable deliverable, low conversion. That's the friction we want to fix.
The AI approach is deceptively simple. Automate the parts that scale: agenda generation, slide drafts, client diagnostics, and a follow-up sequence. And keep the human in the loop for personalization and relationship. You get consistent outcomes, faster delivery, and the ability to productize your expertise into a repeatable 30-minute workshop. Here's the exact pattern: diagnostic prompt, agenda, slides plus handout, 30-minute delivery script, automated follow-up, and upsell.
Pause there. Ethics first. Use consent language when you collect client inputs. Redact sensitive details before you send anything to third-party LLMs, and prefer privacy-forward models if the data is sensitive. Keep a 5 to 10-minute human review step so your output isn't blindly automated. The human plus AI advantage keeps relationship and trust intact while scaling routine work.
Tool stacks. 2 lightweight, travel-friendly options. Option A, Google Slides plus ChatGPT or GPT API plus Zapier. Pros, familiar UI, offline slide export, fast integration. Cons, more web dependence, unless you pre-cache slides. Option B, Notion plus privacy-forward LLM plus Make. Pros, better offline editing in Notion app, tighter data control, easier to turn notes into templates. Cons, steeper initial setup. Trade-offs matter if you're working on a slow cafe Wi-Fi.
Now actual prompts you can paste and run. Use these as templates and tweak for your niche. Agenda prompt, copy-paste. You are an expert workshop designer. Create a 30-minute client workshop agenda for client type focused on outcome. Include timestamps, 3 interactive segments, and 2 takeaways. Keep language concise for a business audience. Client diagnostic prompt. Ask 5 diagnostic questions to assess the client's current state related to topic. Each question should be open-ended and identify a clear pain or metric to improve. Return results as a numbered list for quick copy-paste. Slide builder prompt for slide text generation. Produce slide-by-slide speaker notes and 6 slide headings for a 30-minute workshop titled Workshop Title. Slide notes should be 1 to 2 sentences each and include 1 call to action slide.
Important workflow note. Always collect pre-workshop inputs with a short diagnostic form, 2 minutes max. Include a consent checkbox about using AI to summarize and produce deliverables. Redact or anonymize client names before sending text to external LLMs. If you must handle sensitive data, use local or privacy-forward inference and log access.
Step-by-step build. 6 actionable steps you can finish in under an hour on a laptop. 1. Define the client outcome and 3 measurable takeaways. 2. Run the client diagnostic prompt and extract 3 priority pain points. 3. Generate the 30-minute agenda and slide notes with the slide builder prompt. 4. Export slides to PDF and create a 1-page handout with key takeaways and next steps. 5. Automate a follow-up sequence, immediate summary email plus optional upsell link. Examples op trigger, new form response, run GPT prompt, create slides, email PDF. 6. Price and package. Typical starter pricing is $300 per recurring micro-workshop or bundle into retainers for $750 to $1,000 per month, depending on niche and number of seats.
Offline contingency. If Wi-Fi drops, keep a local Notion template with the agenda and slide notes. Drop the first slide deck as bullet notes in Notion or Google Slides offline mode, then sync when you have a connection. For Zapier or Make triggers, you can queue emails locally and batch send when online.
2 real Nomad results to inspire you. Example A. A career coach turned discovery calls into a $300 recurring micro workshop. Before, 3 hours of prep per client and a $150 one-off. After, 30-minute workshop sold as a packaged service, 60-minute setup time per week, and consistent $300 bookings. 2x revenue for less time. Example B. A product consultant turned a 30-minute training into a $1,000 monthly retainer by offering a monthly strategy workshop plus 1 follow-up deliverable. Metrics: client turn down, billable hours down by 30 to 50%, revenue predictability up. Potential pitfalls: scope creep, client data leakage, and over-automation that erodes rapport. Scope creep check: use a 1-paragraph scope statement and a hard what's included checklist. Data leakage mitigation: redact PII and use privacy-focused LLMs where appropriate. Rapport mitigation: keep a 5 to 10 minute personalization step post-generation. A short personal note or tailored example keeps the workshop human.
Quick comparison recap. If you value familiarity and speed, go Google Slides plus ChatGPT plus Zapier. If you value offline resilience and tighter data control, go Notion plus private LLM plus Make. And remember, keep the personality. Automation should free time for higher value conversations, not replace them. Here's the exact prompt plus stock again so you can copy it. Agenda prompt, client diagnostic prompt, slide builder prompt, plus a Zap example. Form response, run GPT, create slides, send email with PDF attachment. Download the ready-made workshop template, exact prompts, in Zap/Make recipes at nomadlifesuccess.com/AI tools. We included both Google Slides and Notion starter templates, diagnostic form examples, and email copy you can use immediately. If you want our guided mini course, there's an optional walkthrough that gets you from 0 to a sellable workshop in 3 days. Start small, but think big. Test one niche, iterate, then scale.
One last practical tip. Document your workshop as a tiny product. Name, outcome, price, time commitment, what's included, so clients instantly understand value and you avoid scope drift. The human plus AI advantage is the repeatable product, plus the personal touch that keeps clients coming back. Let's make this actually work for you.
That's our complete breakdown of one-click workshop, build a portable AI-powered 30-minute client workshop. Remember, automate the ordinary, amplify the extraordinary. Head to nomadlifesuccess.com/AI tools to access our full AI toolkit, including Dream Guide AI and LifePath AI. While you're there, check out our online courses and audio courses. Subscribe and we'll see you in the next episode.